The 2013 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, rear defrost, MP3 player, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, CD player, bucket seats. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come see the car for yourself.